Hello everyone, I Ridhiviraj and your Parmanu Mitra is here with one another video. As water is important for the human survival, in the same way heavy water is required for the nuclear industry. So today we are going to talk about some of the important aspects of heavy water. Whenever I say heavy, which comes to your mind? It is heavier than the normal water we drink? So, yes, if I talk about the specification of heavy water with respect to water, we can see that how the density is slightly more for the heavy water as compared to the normal water we drink. And due to this, the boiling, the freezing, and the atomic weight has been changed also, and slightly more in the case of deuterium oxide. If I see about the molecular structure, we can see that how in normal we have two hydrogen attached to the oxygen, while in deuterium we have two deuterium attached to the oxygen. In India, we have a specific design, heavy water board being designed by the Department of Atomic Energy, which undertakes all the responsibilities regarding the heavy water productions. In India, we have seven D2O plants in Mumbai, Baroda, Hazira, Manugura, Talcher, Thal, and Tuticorin. So, when we talk about the application and the uses of heavy water, the first thing that came to our mind is the can-do reactor, which India and other countries has been adopted as a reactor technology. There are many countries around the world which currently using the can-do technology like Canada, Argentina, India, South Korea, China, Pakistan and Romania. But how we do produce the heavy water? One of the most common method nowadays being used is the gridless sulfide method based on the exchange of deuterium between H2S and regular water. There are many other catalyst processes also which is used to produce the hydrogen. In India, recently Kakrapara Unit 3 has achieved its criticality on 22nd of July 2020, and it is the most recent India pressurized heavy water reactor that is being made, and heavy water has been used in it as a moderator and as a coolant. Other uses of heavy water is for other like for the achieving of fusion. We can see that how deuterium and tritium are the most efficient fuel for the fusion, and apart from this it has been used as a neutron moderator. Because of the high neutron moderation power, it is being used in for the slowing down of neutrons. It has also been used for many neutrinos detectors. Neutrinos are the particles which are present all around us, and for the detection of it has been heavy water has been used because when neutrino strikes to it, it produces the flash of light, and it being used to detect the neutrinos, and the study of neutrinos can be done. If I talk about what are the other applications of heavy water, the most deuterium gas has been used for the optical fibers. We know that in our new centuries, what are the importance of optical fibers? In the high communication networking, we use optical fibers. So basically, we don't want our signals to be deteriorates or be lost due to the water absorptions and due to the other attenuation factors. So for this reason, we use deuterium gas to produce the low water peaks optical fibers and for the long distance communication and data transmission. The other application of heavy water, which many of you will not know, is it is used to protect the polio vaccines from as in our country or in the tropical countries due to the heat effect. The polio vaccines has been damaged or it is not being used efficiently. So for the storage purposes, heavy water has been used for the if to produce to prevent it from the effect of tropical heat. Heavy water is one of the important application and an ingredient for the vaccine storage. So we can see that how heavy water is very important for the countries and for the industries development. And I have seen one of the interesting fact which shows that a 220 megawatt of nuclear power plants illuminates 25 lakhs of houses, and the other like the coal power plants, the solar power plants are also there, But the benefit is that we can use nuclear power, and it is the most cleanest form of energy and without producing any pollutions to the environment. The nuclear energy is a cogeneration. It's not only used for the production of energy, but we can see that how other in the industries like the heavy water industries, other like for the sea for the desalinations, synthetic fuel chemicals industries are also related to it. So it also used for the cogeneration application. So in this way, we see and we should support the nuclear energy. Thank you.